In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix PlayStation 5 controller showing Xbox buttons on Steam. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to get your PS5 controller connected through Steam, and then you want to navigate through this Steam application. Click on the Steam logo at the top left corner of your screen, click on settings, and from here, navigate through the controller option. Inside this page, you want to make sure that the enable Steam inputs for Xbox controller is disabled, and then you want to navigate through the PlayStation controller support, and then you want to simply disable it by clicking the not enable option. Now, if this did not work, you want to navigate back in this option and you want to reset it at its default, which is the enable in games without support. From there, we then want to navigate through our specific game. Let's say that this is the game that we want to simply fix. Right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and from here you want to select disable Steam inputs. From there, you will be able to fix your problem. Now, in most cases, the icons itself is on the game pre-installed. So in order to fix this, you need to somehow install modifications or mods into the game to change its icons. So in some cases, the controller icons is not on Steam side but on the game itself. So you have to keep that in mind. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.